Welcome to the video guide of the Flashy Science resistance experiment. The screen shows a conductive wire held between these two posts. The wire has a crocodile clip contact that can be repositioned by clicking and dragging it left and right. Beneath the wire is a ruler with a centimeter scale. Clicking on the crocodile clip opens a zoomed view of the ruler scale so you can make precise measurements of the crocodile clip position. At the bottom left of the screen you'll see a voltmeter, and on the bottom right an ammeter. There's also an electrical on-off switch, a fixed resistor and a 5-volt battery cell. We can turn the switch on by clicking on it. You'll then see that the voltmeter shows the potential difference across the portion of wire between the left-hand post and the crocodile clip, and the ammeter shows the current passing through this wire region. The voltmeter and ammeter each have a switch that can be used to change the sensitivity for smaller signals. For example, clicking the switch on the voltmeter changes the sensitivity from 10 volts maximum to 1 volt maximum. And clicking that on the ammeter changes the maximum value on the display from 1 amp to 100 milliamps. The displays also change to the lower scale on each screen. At the moment though, the original switch positions are the most appropriate to use and so didn't need changing in the first place, and will move back to their original positions. The crocodile clip can now be moved to different positions and the potential difference in current recorded at each point. This will allow you to investigate how the resistance of a wire changes with its length. The wire starts with being made of nichrome, but greater choice is available by moving to the Select Wire screen. To do this, first turn off the switch by clicking on it so there's no potential difference across the wire. Then click on the wire to move to the Select Wire screen. You can now choose between two materials, nichrome and constantan, and each of two widths, thin or wide. Click on the wire of your choice and then on the green and white confirm icon that appears in the top left of the screen. You'll move back to the main experiment screen with your chosen wire in place. You can turn the switch back on and measure the electrical properties of the new wire. The experiment also has additional functionality that you can access via this icon in the top left of the screen. This opens a menu with 5 more icons. The first icon simply closes the menu again. The second icon returns you to the experiment when you're on a question screen. We'll come to these shortly. The third is the Click Information icon. Clicking this will select all of the areas on the screen that can be clicked to control the experiment. The fourth icon opens a screen of questions directly related to the experiment you might have just performed. And the final icon opens up revision questions that cover the area of resistance more generally. All questions are marked automatically and many contain randomly generated numbers, so you can retake them as many times as you like for practice. We hope you enjoy using this Flashy Science experiment.